In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start on a 2023 GMC Terrain. Pretty simple process. If you have a remote like this, you more than likely have remote start on the vehicle. You're going to look for this little button right here on the left-hand side that has the little turn thing on it. What you're going to want to do first is press the lock button on the vehicle. You'll notice that the vehicle will lock. Then you're going to press and hold down this button here. You'll hear the vehicle start up. Usually the lights will flash, and then some of the parking lights will come on and tell you that the vehicle is running. Then what you'll do is unlock the vehicle to get inside. Once we're inside the vehicle's running but won't let you drive until you press the start stop button on the vehicle. Now the vehicle is set up to drive. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.